You ever wonder how a country owes $36 trillion and just keeps going? No one paying it back? Yeah, that's not a joke. Let me tell you a story. 300 years ago in France, something very similar happened, but it did not end well.
The year was 1715. King Louis XIV had just died, and he left France in a mess. The country was drowning in debt, almost bankrupt.
Then a Scottish man showed up in Paris. His name was John Law. He walked right into the royal palace with a crazy idea.
He told the French government, "You don't need to pay back the debt. You just need to print more money. Simple."
And here's the crazy part. The French government agreed. So John Law started a company, called it the Mississippi Company. He told everyone that they were going to get rich from golden land in America. Then he did something clever. He let people trade their government bonds for shares in his company, so the debt just disappeared, on paper anyway. At the beginning, stock prices went crazy. People were buying, selling, making fortunes overnight. Everyone felt rich. Everyone was happy. It was brilliant, but until the day everyone wanted their money back at the same time. The bubble popped. Stocks crashed overnight. People lost everything. Families wiped out. And John Law? He was kicked out of France. Ended up died poor and alone in Venice. The great financial genius, gone. Now here's the thing. If you look at what America is doing today, it kind of looks familiar. America prints dollars. The whole world uses those dollars to buy oil, to trade, everything. It's called dollar dominance. Basically, the whole world is helping America carry that $36 trillion debt. And stablecoins? They're tied to the dollar. So now the dollar isn't just in banks anymore. It's in crypto too. Same debt, way more people using it. Same game, but just a bigger board. Because here's the truth. Countries don't go broke. They just make your money worth less. But wait. If America is doing the same thing France did, why hasn't it crashed yet? Why did France collapse but America keeps going? Well, that's because of one secret deal made in 1971. And that's a story for next time. Leave a comment and tell me what you think.